I did.
Okay. Islam. I trust that I'm loud enough.
I could join real quick. See.
Islam. So my sister challenged me to do a AR15 disassemble, reassemble, and she's gonna time me. My record right now is 2 minutes and 5 seconds while naming parts. I'm gonna get started here in just a minute. You got your timer ready?
Yep.
Okay. Once I finish, she gonna stop the time. We're gonna check the time.
And I can write too.
I'm probably not gonna beat that time. It's probably just gonna be around that time.
You gonna beat it? Just let's go.
Nah, I'll probably match it or get around
match
it.
Or beat it.
All right. Let's see if a couple people get on.
You got the tool?
I do. Everything is right here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be doing a disassemble, reassemble while naming parts. Islam, peace and love. Make sure y'all going out and get y'all some arms. Go out and get y'all some ammo. All right. Let me know when you're starting the time.
Ready?
Or let me know when to start.
Ready, set, go.
Take down pen. Pivot pen. Buffer spring and tube, lower receiver. Upper receiver, charger handle, bolt carrier, firing pin, retaining pin, firing pin, bolt cam pin, bolt carrier. Gonna put back together. Bolt in the bolt carrier. Bolt cam pin. Firing pin. Firing pin, retaining pin. Buffer spring and tool back into the lower receiver. Pivot pin. carrier group back in the upper receiver.
206.
206?
Yes.
Wow. And that last one was a takedown pin. So 206 on the disassemble and reassemble of the AR. And that's it. It's long. So mothers, don't be afraid to carry. It's not hard. It's not challenging. Even if y'all have some questions, like, reach out to me if you need to talk to another mother. Reach out, reach out, reach out. It's long. So that was 2 minutes.
And 6 seconds.
2 minutes and 6 seconds. For disassemble and reassemble while naming the parts. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And 6 seconds. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. That's it. Moors are not domestic terrorists. No, Moors are not domestic terrorists. We have the right to bear arms. We enforce the Constitution. Moors are not domestic terrorists. Y'all have any questions, let me know. Do I look like a domestic terrorist? Like, really? Do I look like a domestic terrorist? Islam. I want to see more mothers doing it. I want to see more mothers doing it. Get you some arms. Islam.
You can do it.
No, not Taliban. What is it, the turban? The turban make me look like a terrorist. We're peaceful. Moors are peaceful. Moors are peaceful. Moors are peaceful. I'm not Taliban. No association.
Do it one more time.
One more time?
Yeah, I think you could. I know you could beat that 206.
She wants me to try to get under 206, which my max is 205. So I'm gonna do it again. Let me know when you're starting the time.
All right.
You ready?
Ready, set, go.
Takedown pin. Come on.
Angle.
That's gonna slow my time down, but I'm gonna catch it up. All right. Pivot pin. Upper receiver, charging handle, bolt. Firing pin, retaining pin. Firing pin. Bolt cam pin, bolt. Buffer spring and tube and lower receiver. Putting it back together. Buffer spring and tube back into the lower receiver. Moors are not terrorists. Bolt carrier. Put the bolt back in. Bolt cam pin. Slow it down, slow it down. I see the issue. Yeah, this one probably gonna be a good 230, I'm guessing, maybe.
Just keep on going.
Firing pin, I am. Firing pin, retaining pin. pivot pin going back in. Charging handle and bolt carrier. And then take down pin back in.
211.
211.
So that's 5 seconds.
Then you do a functions check after you put it back together every time, just to make sure everything is still, making sure you put it back together properly.
I noticed though, you gotta have the pivot pin at an angle in order for it to go straight out, or it
you do,
does
because
that.
it's like it'll get jammed. So Islam. That's all I got. Like I said, reach out, mothers, if y'all have any questions. Moorish Militia Group Education Committee. I'm not sure if that question is for me. Islam, if y'all have some questions, reach out to me. Islam, peace and love to all Moors.